What's the meaning of biological? Biological. Biological.
Biological. Biological. Biological refers to anything related to living organisms or processes, particularly those involving the study of life and living things. The term encompasses a wide range of fields, including biology, biochemistry, genetics, ecology, and more. Biological research seeks to understand the complex mechanisms that underlie the behavior, structure, and function of living organisms at all levels, from molecular and cellular processes to entire ecosystems. Through the study of biology, scientists hope to gain insights into everything from genetic disorders to the evolution of species. Biological research also has numerous practical applications, such as developing new medicines and technologies for improving human health and the environment.